Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for divorce, step by step. First, it's crucial to understand your state's specific residency requirements before you begin. Next, start gathering all essential financial documents and personal information, like tax returns and bank statements. Finally, decide with your spouse if you will file jointly, meaning you both agree on terms, or if one of you will file individually. This initial preparation sets the foundation for a smoother process. Once prepared, the next step is to complete the official divorce petition forms. Ensure all information is accurate and complete to avoid delays. You will then need to pay the court filing fees, which typically range from $100 to $400, depending on your jurisdiction. After filing, it's legally required to serve your spouse with the divorce papers, often through a process server, ensuring they receive proper notification. After being served, your spouse will have a specific time frame, often around 30 days, to file their response with the court. This period is crucial for negotiation. You'll need to discuss and agree upon important terms such as child custody, child support, spousal support, and the division of assets and debts. If disagreements arise, consider using mediation. A neutral third party can help you reach amicable solutions without extensive court battles. The final stage involves submitting your comprehensive settlement agreement to the court, or attending a hearing if an agreement couldn't be reached. A judge will then carefully review all terms to ensure they are fair and legally sound, ultimately approving the final divorce decree. Once approved, your divorce is legally finalized. Remember to obtain certified copies of your divorce judgment for your records, as these are essential for future legal matters.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.